Christmas is the most special time of year, with all the lights, gifts, and very tasty food. But unfortunately, the holidays are also when you're most likely to gain weight and get totally off track with all of your weight loss goals. That's why in this video, we're going to share the most effective tips to create your own Christmas weight loss plan and slim down over the holidays. Tip number 1, skip breakfast. If you're planning a big dinner with plenty of calories, it's good to be prepared and make space for those extra calories. Skipping breakfast and having smaller meals throughout the day will help you save those calories, so your big meal won't add more inches to your waist. This is the same principle that makes intermittent fasting work, and it can be a lifesaver over the Christmas holidays. But be careful, intermittent fasting is not for everyone. If skipping breakfast makes you feel too hungry, you risk overeating during your big meal and throwing all your efforts out the window. But no worries, there's plenty more tips in this video. Tip number 2, eat more fiber. Fiber is great for your digestive system, and it's been proven to reduce belly fat. But did you know it's also one of the best natural appetite suppressants? In fact, different studies have shown that people who eat more fiber feel fuller for longer, and curbing your appetite can be incredibly helpful to resist temptations over Christmas. Consuming more fiber is as easy as eating more fruit, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains like wholemeal pasta. And if you are craving a crunchy snack, popcorn is also full of fiber. Tip number 3, sleep well. It's okay to stay up late to celebrate Christmas and New Year's Eve, but if you are regularly missing out on good quality sleep, you might be in trouble. In fact, lack of sleep causes hormonal imbalances that make you feel hungry and throw you off track. If you are planning a big night out, make sure you get plenty of sleep to give your body a chance to recharge. Tip number 4, eat more protein. Protein is one of the most useful macronutrients to help you lose weight and stay in great shape. Science has proven it helps you build or maintain muscle mass, burn more fat, and also feel fuller. In fact, research has shown that protein curbs your appetite more than carbs and fats. So if you want to stay in shape over Christmas and New Year, make your meals more filling by adding more protein. Lean meats, fish, legumes, and eggs will do the trick. Tip number 5, walk more. If you don't want to go to the gym during the holidays, you can still burn the extra fat without working out. Walking is one of the most sustainable ways to burn plenty of calories without getting exhausted. It will also help you keep hunger at bay, since it won't be as intense as other types of workouts. Planning a daily walk over the holidays is a no-brainer to help you offset the extra calories you'll be consuming. Tip number 6, spice it up. You know what sounds too good to be true? Natural substances that boost your metabolism and make you burn fat, while adding more flavor and 0 calories to your meals. But that's exactly what spices do, and we have plenty of science to back that up. For example, research has shown that cayenne pepper, ginger, and garlic can help you burn more calories, reduce your appetite, and slim down your waist. If you have a sweet tooth, cinnamon is a fat-burning spice that can add a ton of flavor to fruit, cookies, and desserts. Using spices will make your Christmas meals a lot tastier and help you melt off the extra fat without even noticing. Tip number 7, don't drink your calories. A nice drink adds depth to your meals and makes your evening a lot more fun. But alcohol has calories, and drinking too much adds extra inches to your waist. That's why a lot of fitness experts will tell you to stay away from certain drinks, but losing weight doesn't mean you have to give up alcohol altogether. In fact, it's possible to slim down if you drink in moderation. If you're going to a party, alternate alcohol with non-alcoholic drinks. This way you'll still be able to enjoy yourself while consuming a lot less calories. But don't drink too much soda either, because that's also packed with sugar and plenty of calories. Tip number 8. Eat slowly and mindfully. We often eat so much because we are distracted and don't even notice the food we put in our mouths. We eat chips in front of the TV, appetizers while chatting with a few friends, chocolate and candy while scrolling through social media. We end up eating way more food than we should, and we still feel hungry because our brain doesn't have time to catch up with our stomach. The good news is that this is easily fixable by eating slowly and mindfully. Slowing down helps our brain register our meals, so we feel fuller sooner. Paying attention to what we eat helps us stay in control of how much we eat. It's a simple technique, but it's one of the most effective tools to stop overeating. Tip number 9. Control your portions. When we change our eating habits, we can get caught in all or nothing thinking, so we end up believing that giving up tasty foods is the only way to lose weight. But such a black and white approach to dieting is doomed to fail. In fact, by completely banning tasty foods, your diet will feel too restrictive and your cravings will go through the roof. It'll be very hard to stay on track with such a strict regimen since temptation will be too high. But the good news is that you don't have to ban any of your favorite foods from your diet. You can lose weight while eating tasty foods, and that's especially important during the holidays when delicious meals and treats will be all around you. The key is moderation and smaller portions. If possible, choose smaller plates and don't go for seconds. You'll still enjoy tasty foods without adding unnecessary calories. Tip number 10. Weigh in. It's hard to track your progress if you don't measure it. A regular weigh-in will ensure you stay on track throughout the holidays. A normal scale will suffice, but if you want to take it to the next level, you can use a body composition monitor to track your body fat percentage. A body composition monitor may look just like a normal scale, but it's more sophisticated and it will help you ensure the weight you're losing is actually fat. To check out the best clinically validated body composition monitor on Amazon, check out the link in the description below this video. You can check your weight and body fat every 2 to 3 days, but remember that every now and then you'll see some fluctuations. Those are entirely normal, so don't obsess over them. Just keep track of the overall direction and make sure you are losing weight over the longer term. Tip number 11. Learn new recipes. If you've been struggling with your weight for a while, chances are you don't have a lot of easy and tasty low-calorie recipes in your cookbook. No wonder you're always resorting to ready meals and unhealthy options. But the holidays are the perfect time of the year to change that. Use the extra time to research low-calorie recipes for delicious meals you can make at home in a few simple steps. You'll even find plenty of options to make light versions of your favorite meals, including pizza, pasta, stir-fries, burritos, and roasts. The right recipes can make weight loss easy, enjoyable, and even fun. Tip number 12. Drink coffee or green tea. Caffeine is one of the most effective natural weight loss supplements, and you can add it to your diet with a simple cup of coffee or green tea. It can raise your metabolism and help you burn more fat. And since we could all use a little extra help over Christmas and New Year, it's a good idea to add this and other supplements to your diet. If you want to learn all about the most effective weight loss supplements on the market, click here to watch this video. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up below and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.